Ladies and gentlemen, today is a good day. We have ourselves a brand new TipsNNtricks Ekster wallet. Minimalistic wallet, I should say. You're like, Chris, what in the world is the TipsNNtricks? Well, the TipsNNtricks is kind of a crosshair. I call it almost like a hybrid between the aluminum, carbon fiber, and leather type of wallet. Chris, I don't understand what you're saying. Well, we're going to get to that in just a splitsy here as we open this guy on up. Okay, we are looking really, really good. Now here is your cash strap right here. This you can put around it. You can put extra cards in there. You can put cash. We're going to give you examples here in just a second. And coming out of the tissue paper here, bada bum bum bum. You're like, Chris, I still don't understand. Before we do load this up with cards and cash, top link in the description box below is going to be the exact link where you guys can read more about these wallets. Click on that link and pick them up yourself. So the TipsNNtricks is different than the full out leather Parliament, and also different than the aluminum or carbon fiber. So this is leather here. This is leather here. This is an elastic band around it. It doesn't open up like a Parliament, but it gives you more room that you need. So you can slip cards behind here. You can slip cash behind here. That's all leather behind there as well. Then you have another slot right here. Ekster logo, beautiful stitching. And then you could put cash, clip through here. Again, if you don't want your cash showing, you want it a little bit more stealth, put it behind there. And this, and I'm not really sure what the extra one would be for. Maybe they accidentally slipped that in, but it's all greasy beasy. I guess you could put this one around this side and have a double up. I mean, to each their own. Now let's get to the juicy stuff. What makes Ekster Ekster. Boom. Push button right here. So this is what cash looks like in the wallet right here if you had it on this side. And then let me go ahead and flip up my cards here. So this is what makes Ekster Ekster. So I got 6 cards in here. It looks like one is hiding in the back right there. I got my shopper's card and all debit to my license. Obviously, I'm not going to show my license or my cards on the internet. Let me show you what you would preferably want to do regarding your cards that you want to use the most. So my shopper's card, I use the most. So for this purpose, I'm just going to stick it back in because I don't want my license to come out because that's the next one up. But you would just pull out your shopper's card. Let me go ahead and do this for you here. So you pull out your shopper's card and that one's going to be right here. Debit card, license, whatever. And then your most used debit card, credit card in the back right here. It's just easier to whip out. So let me go ahead and give you an example here. Let me stick my shopper's card in the back. And so I would just pull that one out, or again, put it in the front and pull it out just like this there. Now, out of curiosity, let me switch these around. I wonder if it's because one of those is steel, so now it's fanning all of them out perfectly. Now, 6 cards are in there right now. One is my very large, thick Crypto.com card. Yeah, so there it goes right there. So the steel card was interfering just a little bit with the full fan out. But as you can see here, this is my really thick steel Crypto.com card. But even with that one interfering, I just put it back right there. There, it fanned it out just nice. So the steel card, which is now this second one, was interfering just a little bit. But we're looking really good right now. So again, you push out, grab your card, whatever you want, boom, slip it back into play, put that in your pocket, and you're ready to go. Cash comes out. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bills, fold it in half again, get your thumb under there, pop it down, or, again, like I mentioned, if you don't want to flash your cash around, put it behind there, and that's going to make it more stealthy if you don't want your cash advertised. So, let's go ahead and put it back in here, right here. Let's go ahead and grab my shopper's card, and then you would have your shopper's card. Now that has to wear out a little bit tight for the first get-go until your cards kind of loosen that leather up a little bit. But again, you could have your cards, a couple more cards in there. Again, you got to loosen that leather up a little bit. Whip that out. Or now that I have my cash on the other side, then you would have like your Amex black card that you don't want anybody like checking out. Like, hey, look at that guy has a black card. Then you slip it in right there. Obviously, no one's going to see your black card unless you bust it out like that. But overall, looking absolutely fantastic. Well, that is the Cynet wallet. If you want to find out more info on the Cynet wallet or their carbon fiber, forged ember, Parliament leather fold-out ones, in the description box right below. Once again, top link is going to be the link where you guys can check out the wallets and see what other people are talking about them. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, DIY house builds, remodel videos, van life builds, my cute dog, and more. Once again, your link is top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.